Hello everyone, my name is Balu Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Southern English Medium School at Natajana, and today I am going to take English Standard 8, and this is our chapter Jodish Pond, right? And we continue this chapter from over here, right? In the last video we reached at this point, right? So I am going to continue this video this from this point. Yeah. So now, as you know that what is the story of this Jodi's farm and Jodi's father, and Jodi's father was bitten by the rattlesnake and all that, right? So now we continue our story. What happened next? Now Jodi said to his father, "Can I ride back with the mill wheel and see if I can find it?" So now Jody gave two option to his father that I want to ride with the mill wheel, one of his family, friend of family, I think. So can I ride back with the mill wheel and see if I can find it? So he want to ride with the mill wheel and he want to find to the pond. Tell your ma I said you can go. Right. Jody's father tell to the Jody that you ask your mom and get the permission from her, and he settled back to the table and sat down, and his mother was pouring coffee for everyone. See, he just silently sit down at the table and sat down, and his mother doing the pouring the coffee for everyone. So Jody said to his mother, he said, "Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the phone." She held the coffee pot in the midair. So when the Jody said to his mother that, "Mom, I want to, I want to, I want to go to the bring back the phone. I want to go to the bring back the phone." So when Jody's mother heard this word, his mother just pose it, just just use it. He just held the coffee pot in midair, right? He just stopped the pouring the coffee and all that. He just shot like this way. What fawn? The fawn belonging to the dog we killed, right? So Jody said that we used the dog's liver to draw out the poison and so pa. See, right? So the Jody said that, "Mom, you know that the form belonging to the doe that we kill, right? And we use the doe's liver and draw out the poison and save the pa." So she gasped. That means he replied, "Okay." For pity sake, so just give the positive reply. And Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to stray. So father also agree that we have not, we should not, we should not leave him to in the starve situations. See, now the fawn is very alone and his mother was killed, and his mother killed by us. So it's not a good thing. So Dr. Wilson said, so Doc Will said that that's right, it's right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free, right? So in the world you cannot get nothing free. You have to pay something, right? The boy is right and his dad is right. So Doctor will support to Jody's and Jody's father. Okay, both are right. So we have to do this. Melville said he can ride back with me and I will help him find out. So here the Melville he want to support to the Jodies, and he agree that me and Jodies go to the forest and try to find out the fawn, right? So and he can ride back with me, right? So now she sat down the pot helplessly. So Jodi's mother just sat down very, in the very sad manner, and he just seems like helpless. He has no choice to say no, like this way. Well, if you will give it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it, right? So well, if you will give it your milk, and we have got nothing else to feed it, like this way. He explained that, and Mill will say, "Come on, boy, we have got to get riding." Melville said that, "Come on, boy, we have got to get riding, right?" So he just called to the Jodies, "Come on, boy, we have to now go." Ma Baxter, name is Baxter, asked anxiously, that means asked very tensely, you will not be gone alone, right? So that means he confirmed that to Jodi, please don't go alone in the jungle, in the forest. Please keep with along with Melville. Jody said, "I will be back before dinner for sure." So Jody, give the surety that mom, don't worry, I will come back before the dinner, right? So Millville mounted his horse and pulled Jody up behind him. So just Millville just mounted. That means he get on his horse and pulled the Jody with him, right? And just pulled behind him. And then he said to the Millville, do you think the phone's still there? So curiously, Jody have some question in his child mind that he just asked to the Mill. Do you think Mill is there is a phone is there? Phone is live or not? Like a curious question in his mind, and he want to ask and he want to get the answer from the Mill. Will you help me find him? So you will help me find him like this way. Then what happened? We will find him if he is alive. So Melville said that definitely we will find him if he alive, right? So how you know it's a he, right? So Melville said that fawn is a he. How you know that? Fawn is a male fawn. So how you know that? The sports were all in line, right, on a doy pond. Past says the sport are every which way. So Jody says that once time my father said to me the sport were all in line on the body of pond, on the dawn pond, right, body of doy pond, that is obviously male pond. So he has got the information from his father. So that's why he just confirmed that pond is a male, right? So every which way the direction. Here a comparison check that you will do yourself. I will send you the solution in on the WhatsApp, right? So here the comparison what had happened to the Jody's father, that you know that. This all comparison check do yourself, right? We continue our uh, second phase. Uh, Now second point is that Jody gave himself over to the now Jody gave himself over to thoughts of the fawn, and they passed the amendment clearly. Now Jody gave himself over to thoughts of the fawn. He just continuously thinking about the fawn, and they passed the amendment clearly. That means he just want to the sort out these issues. He said, cut to the north, Millville. So Jody said that cut to the north, Millville. It was up there that Park got bitten by the snake and killed the boy, and I show the pond. So Jody explained the same with Mill. Millville that he just gave the direction to the mill that we have to go to the this side, that father got bitten by the rattlesnake, right? And at this moment, at this area, father killed the boy, and and I was seeing this pond in this particular area. So he just give it to the direction of north. We have to go to the direction north side. Suddenly, Jody was unwilling to have Millville with him. And then suddenly, Jody's feel that Millville is not with him. He is not give the proper support to Jody like this way. If the phone was dead or could not be found, he could not have his disappointment seen. Right, so Jody feel that if the phone was dead and or could not be found, so he could not have his disappointment to sing. So he don't want to see his disappointment to the Millville. And if the phone was there, and the meeting would be the so lovely and so secret that he could not endure to share it. So two things going on into Jody's mind that if I will not able to find the phone, and phone will not if phone was dead, yeah, I will not find the phone. So definitely I will not show my disappointment to the mill, and if I will find out, and that moment is very lovely, and I don't want to share with anyone. That means you don't want to share this lovely moment with the mill. He said, it is not far now, but the scrub is very thick for a horse, right? I can make it on foot. So that's why I said that it is not a far now. So we have to get out, get down from the horse, and we just scrub the this. These are the scrub very thin in the forest. So for a horse, very difficult to go inside through the scrub. So we have to make it on foot. That means we have to go on foot, but I am afraid to leave you, boy. So Mill will say that I am very afraid to leave you. Suppose you got lost or got bitten by the snake too. So Millville is a genuinely think that if you go alone, so I am very scared, because if the rattlesnake bitten you and something wrong happen with you, so it's not good for you. And so I have no answer to your parent like this way. So Mr. Will was tense about Jody. But I am afraid to leave you. But suppose you that will done, right? I will take care. It might take me a long time to find the pond. If he is a wonder, right? So Jody said that I will take care myself. It might take me a long time. It's a very little bit time take. It's a very few time take for to find to phone, because he is definitely wander over here, right? So lay me off right here. So you can lay me off right here. So you can lay me off, right? So you can leave me now. I can do it myself. So don't worry. All right, but you take it easy now. So Mill will confirm that all right, you can go now, but take care yourself. You know north here and east. So you know that where is the north and east. Like he just give the direction to the Jody that please take care yourself and go and come fast. There, that tall pine makes a bearing, right? So there is a very tall pine and all that seems like a bearing disturbing act of the compose and have the identified direction so long. So there, that tall pine makes a bearing, right? So bearing that gives the direction help to the identify the direction. So here is a clue that here is a landmark, the bearing tall pine, right? So long will I am obliged, right? So he just give the permission that give agree to with Judy. He waited for the sound of the hooves to end, right? So he just make a one clue and make a one hint that if I make a sound of the hooves to end, then cut to the right. His crop was still, and only his own crackling of twigs sounded across the silence. This is the what exactly scenario of the forest that moment. What are the scene around the at this moment that explain over here. He wondered for an instant if he had mistaken his direction, right? So this is just he just wonder for an instant of he had a mistake his direction. He just mistake his direction. He lost his direction, right? Then the buzzard, that means large bird like the vulture and that eats the flesh and of that. The buzzard, what is the this is like a vulture animal buzzard. So then what happened? Then a buzzard rose in front of him and flapped into the air. So he just when he just wandering and when he just on the foot, he just wander over and there and try to find the pond. At that time, buzzards come in front of him, and he just buzzard just flapped into the air. He came into the clearing the under the ox. So he just buzzard, vulture is what doing vulture that you know, right? So he just clearing the under the ox, and the buzzard sat in the circle around the carcass of the doe, right? So he just carcass of the doe, around the carcass of the doe. So there is the doe carcass. Phone the Jody's father killed that particular. Jody's father killed that doe. That doe carcass around the that buzzard around the carcass of doe. That doe killed by the Jody's father. They turned their head and their long scrabby necks and hissed at him, and he threw his bow at them, and they flew into the adjacent tree. And the sand showed large cat prints, and but the big cat killed the flesh. And they had left the doe to the carrion birds. This is the scenario of that of this moment when the carcass of the doe that eaten by the vultures. At that moment, so what happened there? And he parted the grass at the place where he had seen the fawn. So he parted the grass at the place where he had seen that fawn, and he did not see the possibility that it was only yesterday, right? So he's in the yesterday, so he has some memories about the fawn. The fawn was not there, so fawn was not there. He circled the clearing, and there was no sound, no shine. The buzzards clacked their wings and impatient to return to their business. So he just want to return the business. The vulture now very vulture is he want to return to eat that doll. He returned to the spot where the fawn had emerged and dropped on all fours and studying the sand for the small hoof print. The night's rain had washed away all tracks except those of cat and buzzards. So there is some cats and buzzards and washed away all the except of those. So here the story is that he just try to find the phone, but he not able to find out there because he just going here and there, but there is no sign of that phone. But he try his best to find out. He just meet to the with the vulture and all that. He very scared and very scary scenario over there. But point of this, still not find the phone, right? So what happened next, that we will going to see into next video. I hope you got all point from my side. And here the comparison check, do yourself find out the answer these two question answer from the paragraph, right? And write your Facebook. So please stay home, stay safe, take care yourself, have a nice day, bye.